The Waya Remote Controller White Renewed is a reliable replacement controller designed for the Nintendo Wii gaming console. Offered through the Amazon Renewed store, it provides an original Wii Remote experience at a competitive price. This renewed product maintains the classic design and functionality expected from the official controller. This controller comes without retail packaging, batteries, or manuals, reflecting its renewed status. It offers the same responsive motion controls and compatibility as a new Wii Remote. The product is sold in bulk packaging, making it a practical choice for those needing multiple units or replacements. With offer the for with Four-star rating from 789 reviews, it has earned positive feedback for quality and value. Ideal for gamers seeking an affordable alternative to new controllers, this Wii Remote suits casual players and families alike. It restores full control to your Wii system without the extra cost of brand new accessories. Choose this renewed controller to enhance your gaming experience while saving money.